Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you two simple methods to access hidden apps on Samsung phones. But before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tips. Let's get started. Method 1. Unhide the app to use it. If you've hidden an app and now want to unhide it to use it normally, follow these steps. 1. Go to your home screen. 2. Long press on any empty area for about 2 seconds. 3. You'll see 4 options appear: wallpaper and style, themes, widgets, settings. 4. Tap on settings. 5. Now go to hide apps or home and apps screens. 6. Find the app you want to unhide. You can also use the search bar. 7. Once you find it, unselect it from the hidden apps list. 8. Tap Done. Now go back to your home screen. Your app will be visible and ready to use. Method 2. Use hidden apps without unhiding. If you don't want to unhide the app but still want to use it, you can access it directly from the Edge panel. Here's how. 1. Go to your home screen. 2. Swipe from the edge of the screen to open the Edge panel. 3. Tap the pencil icon to edit the panel. 4. Now find the hidden app. Either scroll through or use the search option. 5. Tap on the app to open it. That's it. You've successfully accessed a hidden app without unhiding it. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you want more tips and tricks related to Samsung phones, let me know in the comments. I'll make a video on it soon.